Hello friends, welcome to the world of recipes. I'm Vaishali and today I'll be showing you how to make cucumber THALIPEETH or cucumber paratha, that too without rolling. This can be a breakfast dish. You can have it in your lunch or dinner. So quickly see the ingredients. 4 cucumbers medium size, wheat flour about 1 cup, some spices, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt about 3 teaspoon, cumin seed powder or jeera powder about 2 teaspoon, ajwain or carom seeds about 1 teaspoon. Oil for roasting parathas or THALIPEETH. Some water to make batter. Let's start with the recipe now. First we need to shred this cucumber. For that I'll just cut off the end, and with this fine side I will shred it or grate it. Now all these shredded cucumbers are ready. Cucumber has lots of moisture in it. This moisture will help us in binding the flour. Now let's add in all the spices. Red chili powder and turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder, and this ajwain or carom seeds. Mix it properly. Now add in this wheat flour slowly. Now this dough is ready. You can either add some more flour to this and make a tough dough and roll the parathas or the THALIPEETH and roast it. But we want to make this THALIPEETH without rolling. So what I am going to do, I am going to add some water to this. Because we need little thinner consistency here. We are making batter with this mixture here, like a dosa batter or idli batter. Make sure there are no lumps here. Now as you can see, this batter is ready. Now let's roast our THALIPEETH. Yeah, this tawa is heating. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take a handful of this batter, just place it on the tawa and take enough water in your hand and just spread it. And with the help of this water, you can make it as thin as possible. Give it a nice round shape. I usually make this THALIPEETH with my hands only. As you can see, the color has changed. This is the time when you need to flip it over. We need to separate it nicely from all the sides first. Carefully separate it from the tawa and just flip it over. Then some oil on the top and let it roast from other side. Flip it over again. And now put on oil from the other side. Let it roast on high temperature. After about 1 minute of cooking from that side, you need to flip it over. As you can see, this is brown from this side, but we need little darker color. Let it roast from the other side for 1 minute. Now this paratha is roasted from both the sides nicely. Now just take it out in the plate. Now we'll make second one. Now let's make one more. Take a handful of batter and just spread it. Take help of little water. I always make this thalipit in this manner, but you have to be very careful with your hand. But if you are a beginner, I will show you the other way. How. Now this paratha is also ready. And let's just take it out. Now I will show you easy way to make it for the beginners. Take any flat bottom bowl or vessel, whatever you have, the small size. Just take handful of batter. Put it on the top. Put some water on it and just spread it with this. Yeah. It's also ready. Now serve it. I will show you one more way to do this. Take some batter. This is little thicker. Need to add some water in this. And make it thinner. Very watery consistency. And just spread it over. And just spread with a spoon. I have shown you 3 different ways of making this thalipit. It works well with all the ways. It will be same. Follow any one procedure that you are comfortable in. And this thalipit also ready. Let's serve it. All our thalipits are ready. Serve them hot with any kind of pickle or green hot chutney or spicy chutney. I hope you like this quick and easy recipe of cucumber thalipit of paratha. You can have it for your lunch, dinner or even for breakfast. It is best served with any kind of spicy pickles or spicy chutneys, red chutney or green chutney, or you can eat it as it is. Thanks for watching this video. For more recipes, keep on watching World of Recipes. Thank you.